Honey, today I'm gonna be cleaning, a Country Air c-22. I found this fan yesterday at my local antique show. The lady who sold me this fan, she wanted 60, but um instead I told her to bump it down to $55. So we're gonna be cleaning it. When I first got this fan, it was very, very dirty. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I got my compressed air bottle. I got my wrenches to take off the fan blade. Even I brought out my flathead screwdriver to pop off the knob to clean under the fan knob. Well, let's get started. And I brought my baby wipes also. So let's get started. I'm gonna see if I have the right wrench for the blade. But sadly, I can't oil this fan yet because I don't have any oil for it yet. Because I forgot to ask my grandpa if I could borrow some of his 4-in-1, but I don't have a bottle of 4-in-1 yet. So maybe tomorrow I will be oiling this fan, but yeah. So I'm gonna see if I have any wrenches that can fit the nut for this fan blade. So let's get started. Okay, dun 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 dun. Let's see here. So I believe this is the right one, but let's see here. Oh, it does fit. Yes, that's the one. Let's see if I can get it unscrewed. I believe this is the right one, but let's see. It looks like. Oh. Let's see here. I may have to stop the video. Oh, to get this taken off. I believe. I have to do the other side. Well, let's see here. Man, this thing is stiff. Hold on a second. Be right back. I actually cut myself. I will be right back. I need some help taking out the family. I'll go ask my dad. Be right back. I'll pause the video. Be right back, everybody.